This is going to be 2015 from the Box Breaks. Mystery Box, MB118 for Chris B. Good luck, sir. Let's see what is in this one. All right. All right, Chris. Got a lot of stuff in here, man. You may have picked a good one. All right, first up, Paul George right here. Crusade. 3 of 5 right here. Very nice. Right there, going out to Chris V. You also got a Pete Rose Prism right here from the Reds. 3 of 5. And again, this is all going out to Chris V. Alright, next up we got a RG3 right here. RG3 for the Redskins. Right there, that is a 1 of 10 right there. 1 of 10. Going out to Chris V. Very nice. Chris V. Got a top series 1 photo variation. Looks like right here. Wilson Ramos right here. Check that out. Very nice. Wilson Ramos. Next one here is, let's check this out right here. Here's a Luis Ortiz 9 mint with a 10 autograph right here for the Rangers. Going out to Chris. Nice one there for you, sir. 9 from 2014 Bowman Chrome Draft. Right there, Luis Ortiz. And then we got a blue right here. Check this out. Here's a 9 mint 2014 Bowman Chrome Draft. Picked right there. This is a Brian Gonzalez for the Orioles. 9 mint, 10 on the auto right there. 14 of 150 right there. Going out to Chris V. Nice one there for you, sir. Nice pack, man. That'll do it, guys, for mystery box from the Box Breaks. 118 for Chris V. Let's save that for YouTube.